Color Care Conditioner. Love Beauty and Planet Blooming Color Murumuru Butter and Rose Color Safe Conditioner is designed to deliver a nourishing boost of hydration and protect colored hair. For color-treated hair, fragrant kiss and juicy freshness from the hand-picked Bulgarian rose petal, Murumuru Butter and Rose Blooming Color Conditioner gently smooths and nourishes hair. Infused with natural coconut oil for hair, our blooming hair conditioner for color-treated hair is plant-based and helps maintain hair color. Maintain vibrant and gorgeous hair color. Designed to protect colored hair, this color conditioner delivers a rich shine and moisturizes for a healthy-looking gloss. Color-safe conditioner with naturally derived ingredients. This vegan conditioner keeps color vibrant, plus it's cruelty-free, silicone-free, dye-free, and formulated without phthalate. Cruelty-free and vegan conditioner. Loving the planet means caring for all creatures who share it, so we are independently certified cruelty-free and vegan by PETA. Natural coconut oil for hair. Lock in moisture and let your strands keep their natural shine with conditioner for deeply nourished hair. Our silicone-free conditioner is designed to deliver a healthy-looking gloss while protecting hair color. Ethically sourced rose extracts. The rose petals we use are hand-picked and quickly processed to ensure a pure and pristine fragrance. Top reviews from the United States. Smells heavenly. I do not believe I have ever left a shampoo and conditioner review, but I absolutely love this set. My hair feels and looks great. The smell is incredible. It smells like rose and coconut, which are two of my favorite scents. This is my new go-to shampoo and conditioner.